Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix your iPhone if it restarts randomly. So it can be really annoying if an iPhone gets restarted at any unexpected time. Several iPhone users have reported that their iPhone get restarted randomly at times. They are wondering why all of a sudden this is happening with their iPhones. The reasons of causing this type of problem in any iPhone are problematic application installed, lack of iPhone storage, outdated iPhone software and application changes done to some critical settings on an iPhone. So I'll tell you how can you solve this problem. But first subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So the first thing you should go for is uninstall problematic apps. So if you see any app that create problem, so go to your home screen after unlocking your iPhone, then find the problematic app and then tap on it. And in the pop-up box you will see the option of remove app. So tap on it and you will see the option of delete app. Tap on it to confirm and you are done. And the next step is force restart the device. For this you have first press the volume up button on the side of the iPhone and release it quickly, and then press the volume down button and immediately release it. At last all you need to do is press and hold the power button until there is an Apple logo appears like this. Press volume up button and volume down button and then hold the side button and you are done. And after a minute or two again press the side button to turn it on. And the next step is update all apps. For this go to your app store, tap on it and then tap on your profile name. Then select the update option from the context menu that appears on the app store. This option the updates page on the app store directly. And also here you will see the update all option if there are updates from many apps. So update these apps and you are done. So the next step is clear some space on iPhone. For this launch the setting app on your iPhone and then tap on general and tap on iPhone storage. So here you can see which one's taking up more space on your iPhone and decide accordingly which one to be deleted to make space, and you are done. And the next step is check your battery health. Go to the settings app, scroll down and then tap on battery. Now select the battery health and charging option. If the maximum capacity option displays less than 80%, then you need to rethink replacing the battery of your iPhone. If it is more than 80% like mine, the battery health is fine and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. For this tap on the settings icon of your home screen. This opens the settings app, so click on general. Now scroll down the general page to the bottom and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone and then tap on reset. Here you will see the option of reset all settings. So tap on reset all settings and you are done. And the next step is factory reset your iPhone. Please make sure you back up all your necessary personal data from your iPhone to your PC or iCloud, because the factory reset will erase all contents and data from your iPhone. So for this, open the settings app by clicking on the setting icon, then tap on the general, scroll down and then tap on transfer reset iPhone. Next click on the erase all content and settings option, tap on it and then tap on continue. Once done, you need to follow all the on-screen instruction on your iPhone. This will factory reset or hard reset your iPhone and you will get a feel of using your iPhone for the first time after doing it. I hope this solution will fix your issue of randomly start your iPhone, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.